Penalty time here, 4 seconds. When he got the snap, here comes the rush. He heaves it deep. Oh, it's caught! Touchdown! Aiken!
Well, look, all three, this is the rebound play. Aiken's looking back. He's the trailer. He knows that he's going to maybe get the rebound. Instead, he just decides to go up and pluck it out of the air. Here's a good look at it. You're going to see him. He's way outside. And everybody's looking at the ball. No one gets a sense and feel for Kamar Aiken, who comes right up underneath the safety for the score.
They're going to go for you with 2 seconds remaining. 3rd and 10. Bears have 3 guys defending in the end zone. And a little jump ball. Urlacher got a hand on it. It was caught. It's a touchdown! The Chiefs got it on a ricochet. And caught by McCluster.
Wow, they go 31 consecutive possessions without an offensive touchdown, and it takes a prayer and a Hail Mary to get a touchdown.
Urlacher had it, and McCluster on the rebound gets the ball. A 38-yard touchdown throw.
There'll be the trips to the left, and one would suspect that Rodney Peete will just flip it as far as he can, look for the defensive foul.
3rd down from the 43-yard line. Walking it toward the end zone and picked the
Oh my God!
Carpenter caught it! How in the world did Carpenter catch it?
Well, let's go back to the timeout that was called by Ray Rhodes. We're there.
32 is Willie Clay. He's right on the ball. He just jumps up and has it taken away by Rob Carpenter.
But can the receivers get far enough down the field?
Rodgers in trouble.
It's going to get there.
He turned 32 yesterday. Does he have a vintage moment in him? In the end zone, it is caught for the win. Richard Rodgers with a walk-off touchdown. A game ender for the Packers.
He resets Starks. They are going to bring pressure again. Rodgers is going to roll away, throws it up in the air, says a prayer, and Janis does he make
stop it!
Oh, please!
What a catch!
That's insane!
Oh my, that may be one of the great throws ever made. Moving to his left, falling away and launching a perfect throw.
Wide to the near side, deuce backfield. Avellini back to throw on the first count. Sets up deep, now throws it long down the left side. Open is Lana. He's got it. Touchdown! Touchdown! Lana wide open. Breaks the catch. Incredible. 3 seconds to go. 37-yard touchdown pass. Avellini to Lana.
It was the play all of Chicago had been waiting for. With elimination from the playoffs just a heartbeat away, and by the margin of 1 scant point, the Bears stayed alive.
He didn't even have the ball cocked and ready to go.
Here we go. Dalton going for it all. Tipped in the air, caught by the Bengals. A.J. Green.
What a mistake by the Ravens. You swat the ball down. You don't pop it up. Right there, Ihedebo, I'm not sure what he was thinking. He's the last guy, and that ball's on its way to the ground, and he sticks out his left hand and knocks it up into the air.
We made USAA insurance for veterans like Martin. When his wife retired, they buckled down and switched to USAA insurance for low rates and higher standards. USAA, what you're made of, we're made for.
USAA.
He is going to throw through Pearson. He got it. Touchdown. I did ago, and they had it for a while. I thought the ball bounced. I don't believe it. He just threw the ball over the scoreboard. I don't believe it. The ball was thrown short, and the defender was not watching, and Pearson came back to make the catch for him. He caught that ball on his hip, it looked like, John. Well, I'm sure we'll have it. We'll catch. I tell you, it was a much better catch than it was a throw. Let's take a look at it here, Gary. Fine protection, all right. He just winds up and lets it loose. Now, let's watch the play by Pearson here. He's very well covered at this point. Looked like almost an interception. You see him coming back right there to make the catch. Nate Wright falls down, and Pearson just kind of backs into the end zone right there, and Paul Krause has to jump over top of Wright.
Extremely fortunate, of course, to get the onside kick.
Bears are out of timeouts.
You got to take your time.
Steps up, gonna go for it all in the end zone. Jump ball. Caught! It's caught! James Allen was there for the tip. In the far corner of the end zone as you take one more look.
That is perfect execution. 3 receivers, jump, tip it in the air. Somebody trails the pack of receivers. That's how you teach it. Somebody has got to come in, the secondary person, James Allen. What a catch.
He fell on Marty Booker. As the Bears score their second touchdown in 32 seconds.
It's 13-7 New York. 8 seconds to go. LaMonica comes in. Loose quarterback coverage. They're way off. They don't want to give up the bomb. LaMonica's back. He looks. He's throwing deep for Wells in traffic. It's batted around. Wells catches the ball. Wells has caught the ball. Wells has caught a touchdown. And it's tied 13-13. 3 New York Jets.
Play, right? It's like the last shot for Seattle. Kept out of the end zone all day. Boykin is going to heave it from the 50 to the end zone, and it is caught for a Seattle touchdown with zeros on the clock.
And they blew the game, so it's always possible.
Certainly Atlanta made it a game against the Saints.
Look at this, see? Now, look, he could throw it again for distance.
Well, Coach, you called it.
See, that's what happens. One play, and you're back in business. That's all they needed before the half to make a play, to go into the halftime and be able to smile and feel good about the first half.
Not the way they drew it up, Hank, but a 62-yard pass play, and I can't believe it. You're saying that's all that was needed?
That's all. It's a Humpty Dumpty play. See, it's a Humpty Dumpty play, but it doesn't make a difference. It still counts 7.
10 seconds left. Lions lead it. Again, Owens flank to the right. This has got to be the alley-oop. There is no time for anything else. Tittle throws. Owens is double teamed. He's going downfield near the goal line. He goes up. He's got it. A great catch.
Or just depend on the deep guys to knock it away.
Gerard steps up. Fires. Mike Sims Walker. Knocked down.
Oh, he caught it! Oh! Unbelievable! Mike Thomas! Touchdown Jags! Ball game! 50 yards! Whoa! David Gerard buys enough time for the receivers to get down there, and you said it, Mike Sims Walker's going to go up for it, but it's knocked to the ground right into the hands of Mike Thomas. Glover Quinn knocks it down with both hands like a volleyball player, spiking it over the net right into the catch of Mike Thomas. Unbelievable.
They don't want to interfere. That could set up a field goal try. All right, here it is. 2 seconds to go. 49ers in a real prevent defense. Everyone back but 3. Bartkowski goes up high in the crowd to the left side. And it's caught by White Shoes Johnson. Did he get in? The clock, touchdown, touchdown.
are still on the field. Let's take another look. Maybe the play of the year so far in the National Football League. White Hicks, number 22, had it timed extremely well and went up for the ball. Johnson fell down, Wayne. Yes, he did, and got up, made the catch. Can it only be one immaculate reception?